The overall goal of this procedure is to use an advanced grinding method to accurately obtain the chloride distribution along the depth of cement paste under cyclic wet-dry conditions.
This method can help answer key questions in the chloride transport field about how to obtain high-accuracy chloride profiles.
The main advantage of this technique is that the accuracy of the chloride distribution along the depth can be greatly improved.
To begin the sample preparation, use a brush to remove all contaminants and dust from a 70mm by 70mm by 70mm mold. Coat the inner surfaces of the mold with mold-release diesel oil. Then, sequentially place 1,000 grams of deionized water and 2,000 grams of cement in a 5-liter mixing pot. Secure the pot on a cement mixer and mix at 65 RPM for 90 seconds. Let the mixture sit for 30 seconds while scraping paste from the inner walls and returning the paste to the bulk mixture. Then, mix at 130 RPM for 60 seconds. Remove the mixing pot from the cement mixer and pour the cement paste into the mold. Shovel the remaining paste into the mold with a scraper knife. Place the filled mold on a vibrating table and vibrate the mold for 10 seconds to compact the paste. Then, seal the mold with cling film to prevent water loss to evaporation. Allow the cement to sit at room temperature for 24 hours. Then, remove the hardened cement paste specimen from the mold. Cure the specimen at 23 degrees Celsius in 95% relative humidity for 60 days. Next, fix the cured specimen on a